Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect our Kali Linux virtual machine to the Wi-Fi network. So the Kali Linux machine is installed on VMware Workstation, and we're looking to have it connected to the same Wi-Fi network as our host machine. The host machine is a Windows 11 machine. Now, when you first install Kali Linux VM, you might select the NAT option. So the NAT network means that you're sharing the same IP address as the host machine. Now in our case, we want to make sure that we have this Kali Linux machine getting its own IP address from the wireless or Wi-Fi router. Now there's one setting change we need to make. Now for VMware Workstation, we'll need to go to Edit, and then go to Virtual Network Editor. Once you get to this Virtual Network Editor, you want to click on Change Settings, and then click Yes here to allow it. So this name here, VMnet0, is the default for the bridged adapter that we'll be selecting under the settings for the Kali Linux VM. What you need to do is if you go to the VMnet information for bridged adapter, here you'll need to select the Wi-Fi interface name that's similar to what your host machine is using. So in my case, this is the name right here. If you don't know what it is, we'll look at how we can determine what it is. Okay, this one here is for the wired interface, and for the Wi-Fi, this is what it is. Once you have that once you have this selected, you'll need to click on Apply and then OK. I'm not going to be changing this because mine is already configured. I'm just going to close this. So for Windows 11 device, if you want to determine the name of your Wi-Fi interface card, you can come to this icon, right click, go to Network and Internet Settings. Here, this is the Wi-Fi interface. Click on this arrow. Then this is the Wi-Fi again. So the properties, click on this arrow and then scroll down. You should see here where it says description. This is the name. Another way to check it is by opening your control panel. So search for control panel, go to Network and Internet, then go to Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you see all your the different network interface cards or network interfaces, and then the names for each one of them. So this is the wired connection, that's the name, and this is the Wi-Fi, this is the name. Okay. So once you've determined the name, you can go back to your virtual network editor and then select it and select it here from the list. Okay, and then the next thing you'll do is you'll need to change the settings on your virtual machine. So right click on the virtual machine, go to Settings, and then under Network Adapter, you want to make sure you're using bridged adapter. So all you have to do here is just change it to bridged adapter and then click OK. And then we'll power on the virtual machine and make sure that it's got an IP address via DHCP from the wireless router and it's on the same subnet as the host machine. And then we can also verify that we have internet access and the device is also reachable from another device on the same network. So I'm just going to power on this virtual machine. Okay, I'm going to log into the virtual machine. Okay, let's go ahead and check the IP address. I'm going to open the terminal and type in IP address. So this is the IP 192.168.1.165. If I open the command prompt on the host machine, which is a Windows 11 device, and do ipconfig, this is the Wi-Fi adapter here, or wireless LAN adapter. The IP is 192.168.1.120. So it's on the same subnet. So /24, we see that it's on the same subnet and they have different IPs. This is 120.120, this is .165. Next thing you want to do is want to make sure that that device is pingable. I can ping 192.168.1.165. And as you can see, we can ping it. So it's reachable on the LAN or the local area network. Next thing is just to verify that we have internet access. I can ping a website, ping say bbc.com. And I sent 3 packets, received 3 packets. You can also open a browser and navigate to a website. And there you go. And that verifies that we have internet access. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect Kali Linux VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.